fire thing. Ah! No, bitch! Ow! Do not, you're gonna burn me, you bitch! That's hot. Jennifer, leave.
Can I see it?
It hurt.
Dude, let me see it.
When was
Little girls who play with fire wet the bed.
I do not want to bed. I play with letters all the time.
Oh,
I'm gonna laugh.
You have wet dreams.
Oh yes, I'm gonna laugh Marissa wet the bed tonight. No! Cause she's sleeping in my bed.
Dude, I don't know how to work a lighter.
You seriously don't know how to work a lighter? You shitting me? What? What shitting you?
That's gonna suck when your husband doesn't know how to use a barbecue grill, and you need to light it.
Dude, that's what matches it. Ah! Sit. No! You wanna take that thing on? Here, play with it. Don't burn yourself up. That sounded dumb.
Play with it.
Bend. Down. You're fucking retarded.
Shut up!
So you're coming over Thursday?
Oh! I did it.
Yay, Penny did it!
I did special.
Good job. You're still recording this, aren't you?
Hi! Hi! Hey!
You're gonna start copying me dinners.
Have you yelled at her yet?
Oh, jeez!
Marissa wants to know if you yelled at me yet.
Don't yell at your girlfriend. That's
What? Shut up so I can hear him.
Don't yell at her girlfriend.
Shut up so I can hear him. What? Yeah, if you yelled at me. For what?
I don't know. You said he was going to yell at you.
Oh yeah, for calling myself fat. Was that it? What? I never said I was. I said that yesterday, not today.
Fucking stinks.
What?
This is fun.
No, it does. Why are you letters? No, it does, Brett. That's fucking flames, you retard.
Did you just call me Brett?
No, I was like, you freaking retard. Retard.
Let's go back upstairs.
I'm gonna go upstairs. No, it's gonna get stupid. I'm gonna go find Dad really quick. That's not really pyros.
I threw a ruler at you.
I threw a ruler back at you.
Look, a ruler.
Why are you examining my ruler?
Every time.
Because she wants to see how wide it is. So she
No, every time it goes like this, Jenny has a fire come out. And whenever it goes back up, the fire goes out.
She wants to measure to see how far up it can go.
No, she wants to measure her winky. As we all know she
Up
does.
at my weenus. Nobody's allowed to look at my weenus.
Dude, remember that video we took yesterday, like earlier?